Two of the most deadly forms of Muda that you will face in your journey of continuous improvement are overproduction and inventory. Pull systems can be quite effective at addressing these two forms of waste. As we've learned, a pull system will help you build to demand and manage the flow of inventory. With this in mind, we need to answer a few very important questions to understand how a pull system effectively deals with these two costly forms of waste. Those two questions are, number one, why does inventory accumulate in organizations? And number two, why is inventory so dangerous? We'll answer those questions in the following two modules, but before we do, we'd like to take a stab at answering those questions for yourself. You can answer them in the upcoming assignments section or in the community. As a reminder, those questions are, why does inventory accumulate in organizations, and why is inventory so dangerous? We'll see you in the next module.